Hey, Greg Fitzgerald here. Just going to do a quick Q&A to see what we're seeing in the market in the last 6 to 12 months, primarily as we head out of 2019 and into 2020.
Greg, what type of tenants have you been working with in the last 6 to 12 months?
Primarily Dollar General, which has been kind of the trend for us for the last 10 years. We've also sold Family Dollar, Amedisys, as well as O'Reilly's, but really primarily Dollar General properties, double net and triple net.
And what geographic region are these deals?
Mainly the Southeast, Mississippi, Louisiana, Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina. We have had some buyers lead us to other states in the Midwest, maybe Missouri, Illinois, Iowa, but primarily the Southeast.
And where are you seeing cap rates trading?
I'm still seeing trifurcation in the market, which was the exact same description that we did at this time last year. Any high quality, long term assets in really strong locations are at historic lows. Tertiary markets with the similar tenants are trading maybe 50 to 75 basis points higher. And then the double nets really are somewhere in the low 8s to mid 10s, depending on the lease term remaining, location, and the credit of the tenant. So it's still a trifurcation.
Has the 10-year or interest rates had an impact on cap rates and or sales?
Definitely. We saw the 10-year kind of peak out at a new high relative to the last 10 years in early November, and the cap rate started to soften as 2019 started, and then the 10-year took a precipitous drop as the year continued on, and we started to see cap rates hit some new historic lows maybe mid to late summer. The 10-year is now starting to trend back up a little bit, and I would guess that cap rates will follow suit. So there's definitely a correlation, and primarily because there's just such a lack of supply that it's real dependent on interest rates in the 10-year.
So to wrap things up, how would you summarize or describe the current market conditions thus far in 2019?
I would say it's a little disconnected. There's a historic low on cap rates in one instance where then investors are still very concerned with yield. And because of the lack of supply of long-term credit tenant properties out there, there's just a little bit of a disconnect in the marketplace.